Generally, if your Melbourne forecast is for 12, it'll be 9 up here. So it does get a lot colder up here. We get more frosts and foggy days in winter, but no problems at all inside here. When we moved here, we discovered delightfully that it had a full hydronic system, but the previous owners was paying about $400 a month to run it off LPG. It's also had an older fireplace, but we were just feeding it so much wood that we thought this isn't sustainable. And once we could get as much information together as we could gather, we settled on the Quadrafire simply because of the quality build. Getting it here was a challenge. It's a big, heavy unit, but that's because of the quality of it. It's fantastic, and it's now in place. It's been there for 2 years, and it does a fantastic job. Moving to the Quadrafire, we've been able to get away with a lot less firewood. We've been able to get a longer burn time overnight as well, and having the cooktop's been a wonderful convenience also. We dry a lot of fruit on it. We dry our orange peels, which we use as firelighters, and all our eggshells, which we crush up and use on the garden.
Because it's in our downstairs living area, and this is where we spend, apart from sleeping, our whole family is down here. So we're always around it. When people come over, this is where they spend their time, and people always are drawn to it. They comment on it because it looks great, and the conversation starts about how easy it is to use. Because it burns longer overnight, when I get up in the morning, it's warmer down here. There's still hot coals, so it takes me no time at all to get the fire going.
We can also get in what I would consider large size logs, much larger than most other fires, which of course contributes to the additional burn time. I've recommended it to several people, and several are actually going to take that up. Our neighbours are going to take theirs out, which is a smaller unit, and replace it with the Quadrafire because they want that efficiency.
Plus we're going to build a house on this property for family, and we'll be putting a Quadrafire in their place as well.